Hi, my name is Lizzie, and in this video I will demonstrate 3 different chaining methods: forward, backward, and total task. And these methods help learners master complex behaviors one at a time. Also, when it is used, the teaching skills that involve a sequence of steps, such as washing hands, getting dressed, sandwiches, or following a class routine. The steps come from a task analysis. Once the steps are identified, you choose one of the 3 chaining methods depending on the learner's needs that you need to do. Forward chaining is you start by teaching the first step. Once mastered, add the next step in order. Backward chaining is start by teaching the last step so that a learner immediately experiences success at the end of the task. And then total task is teach all of the steps to your students together during each session, which provides prompts only as needed. Materials needed. I will use a simple task analysis for putting on a backpack. Hold up the backpack, hold straps, put one arm in, put the other arm in, pull backpack onto shoulders. I will also use verbal, gestural, model, and physical prompts, reinforcement, and a data sheet. Step 1, teach step 1 only. Give the instruction, put on your backpack. The learner would do this. And then if needed, I prompt the first step after they complete it, and I would say I complete the remaining steps for them. Example, great job picking up the backpack. Now I will finish the rest, or I'll help you with the rest. Step 2, after mastery. A student can pick up the backpack independently across sessions. I teach step 1 and step 2. The learner now learns to pick up backpack and hold straps, continuing until all steps are independent. The chain builds step by step from the beginning. And step 1, teacher completes all steps except the last one. I model the full task, or this was backward for backward chaining. I model the full task except the last step. I complete steps 1 through 4. I complete steps 1 through 4, and let the student do step 5, pull backpack onto shoulders. Now that the learner completes this, you put the other arm in, pull the backpack onto shoulders, continuing backward until all steps are independent. And then your last one is total task demonstration. For total task, I ask the learner to complete the whole routine. Put on your backpack. I provide prompts only when needed for each step. They pick up the backpack independently. They hesitate at holding straps. You would give a gestural or verbal prompt. They need physical help putting arms in, and then it would provide partial physical guidance for this. Step 2, you repeat that for each trial, and then you would also record your data or prompt level for each step. So it would look like step 1, step 2, step 3, independent, needed verbal cue, needed partial physical prompt, and then you would do them as such. And you would just write in the notes of a step-by-step of what would happen. And I think that using this method is very interesting. Having 3 methods of teaching multi-skill steps are very important on a task analysis. And thanks for listening.